Replacing the side mirror of your Chevy Cruze is probably one of the simplest things that you can do. First step, you'll want to open the door to the side that you're going to be working on and lower the window. Then you're going to take off this plastic piece here on the inside of the door. I used a flathead screwdriver to gently go underneath of it, starting at this little knob that's at the bottom here, and gently go underneath and pry it off. Should hold it, that way you don't crack the plastic, and you gently remove it and pop it off. Now there's two of these green clamp type deals. These sometimes get stuck in the car door. If it does, gently pry those off as well and place them back onto this plastic piece. You can set that down. Next, you're going to want to disconnect the electrical component, which is right here. Some of them have a gray clamp that goes over top. If yours does, which mine does not, you're going to want to take that flathead screwdriver again and gently lift up and then pop that off. Then you're going to want to push in this knob at the bottom there while gently pulling straight out. Now that's disconnected. You're going to want to remove these three bolts here. They're 10mm socket. This one at the bottom's a bit tricky. It's awfully close to the plastic, so you might not be able to get a socket in there. And then so once you get to the last one, that's all that's holding that mirror on. So you're going to want to hold on to the back of it, the outside of the mirror, the outside of the door, with your hand. That way you can pull that last one out and the mirror doesn't drop off. Now, this is the new mirror that I put on. I want to make sure that I could do it first, but it's awfully simple. So then you're going to just take it off and then put the new one back on. So you just place it in the hole there, pretend like this is a new one, and then just do the same thing you just did. So you want to line up those holes, start while holding this mirror on, obviously. These three. Okay, once those are all tight, then you can connect the electrical component again. Just do it the same way you did before. Push in that little knob and push in. You're going to take this plastic piece, make sure that these two green clamp items are lined up with these two holes here. Easier said than done, I guess. And then you just pop that in. Voila!